Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place where you wanna be watching me from. So on today's video is a super special video, guys. I wanna thank each and every person for welcoming back, and also for 20,000 plus subscriber, 20,000 plus subscribers. That's one of the greatest achievements, and I'm appreciating each and every person around here. I'm coming live and clear from our village here in Kenya, Africa, East Africa, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. That's one of the greatest privilege that we have here where I come from. So guys, today and this video I'm going to show you, it's a happy moment, happy, and I want to show you the achievements that we have done around here, and also the progress of Mogendi, the dreamer's house. That's my young brother. So those are the birds singing on the other end. This is how green our compound is. And also I want to tend to show you something. At the end, it's where I usually say, by the end of this video, there is where the climax of the best comedy comes from. And also, yeah, so always watch this video without skipping the ads. And also, things have been moving around here. I'm appreciating the love and support that has been around here. So I want to introduce you to my grandma for the new subscribers. You know, each and every single day we have new subscribers here, and also they want to be knowing who is your grandma. So here we have our grandma who has been sick some days back, but for now she's recovering back and she's feeling somehow all right. Hi baby. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
You good? Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Are you great?
Very great.
Yeah, tell me, I miss you guys.
You miss here.
You miss, mbona nywele iko na michanga? I'm seeing the...
nalala hapa.
Oh, ulikuwa umelala hapa?
Hey.
Okay, she
Hata
said...
nilikuwa nijua ndo niliwarika nikatoka hapa.
Oh, I saw some sand here on the head, and she has soft and great hair, guys. Hey, grandma has soft and gray hair. So I'm trying to remove that over here. All right, tell them subscribe, guys. Like, share, and comment. Guys, she always loves to sit near the soursops over here. The Masons have been eating our soursops, and for now it's not around here. Mnacheka. They're laughing because of the English of Bibi. Bibi, tell them you don't want to go an English stop. Tell them.
Go.
Hey.
Sai.
Tell them where you want to go. Say, I want to go Migori. Hey.
One.
Tomorrow.
And tomorrow.
Hey. I'm going.
I'm going.
Hey. Okay.
No.
Hey. Yeah guys, so we have been here and I'm so much happy to be back home. That's one of the greatest, guys, what we're doing here. So today there was a great work that was being done around here on this other side, and before even I introduce to you the project that has stopped for a little bit, and I want to give you a valid reason why we have stopped. So we're having here some friends. Having Baricho, the big man.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good? Yeah. Okay, and also we're having Mr. Motaris and Makenges.
Mr. Shampoos.
Mr.
Shampoos.
Mr. Shampoos.
Only Shampoos the Shamba boy.
Shampoos the Shamba boy. Hey, that's a very nice name. Shampoos.
The Shamba boy.
Shampoos the Shamba boy. Shampoos the Shamba boy and the crew have been really doing a great job over here, and I want to introduce to you, because this place used to be a dust where we throw some dust and other stuff, but you'll be seeing, yeah, it's like it used to be like a compost pit, but now they were doing some great job the way you see here. So we want to plant here some grass, a very nice grass, and that will be done with Shampoos the Shamba boy with the crew over here. And yeah, this is an orange tree, and also we have a mango tree there. So Shampoos the Shamba boy, what are the challenges that you face, you as a Shamba boy sometimes?
Like,
They're laughing.
I wanna bend here too much.
You wanna do what?
I wanna bend here too much.
You bend too much.
When I finish my job, and
Eh?
baadaye.
English is not water. It's not vegetable. Is what?
Not drinking hot water.
Is not drinking hot water. Another term. Is English is not drinking hot water. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So they have been doing the great work over here, which is very, very nice. Actually, I'm appreciating them because from here, let me show you what we have been doing. Line kama hii tu kidogo hivi. Ndo maji sivyoenda na mchanga. Yeah, so actually guys, this is Mogende Dreamers house over here, and for now it has stopped due to maybe finance. And also today I went to look for trees because buying timbers will be more expensive or twice expensive rather than buying a tree and split them by your own. So I found trees in which I want to go show you how many trees we have bought. And also yeah, so maybe hopefully tomorrow I'll do what we call like timber lumbering. So after that we can wait until now when we'll get iron sheets, because we have like we have money that will just sustain like 4 to 5 iron sheets, because I used other money to buy the trees so that we can do what we call like timber lumbering. So in a nutshell, this is how you see this area. This will be the compound of this area, because we have already fenced the other side. The other day I showed you how this area used to be green, but it was weeds, not that, no way. So it used to be weeds, a lot of weeds here, but we did away, we went away with we do away, or it was done away. So for now it's very clean and nice and leveled. Somebody said levelized is not English, so it's leveled now the way you see. So the only remaining thing is we will plant grass and flowers on this other end so that we can groom the compound to look nice and beautiful. So on this other end still we have been constructing. So what is remaining is that roofing is the most hardest part. Then we can go to the next step of putting what we call like now windows, doors, and the rest will be history. So this is what Shampoos the Shamba Boy was doing. Very, very nice, guys. Very nice and great. What we call like leveled. Very nice and beautiful. Hey, and also I'm with Min Howie.
Yes, guys. Hi.
The chief organizer and chief
Manager.
Justice, chief manager, chief CEO, chief operator, hey, chief supervisor.
The boss.
All names are yours. I bless you in the name of Claude. That way.
People are only blessed in the name of the Most High.
Yeah, they're just for my blessings to you this way.
Okay.
In my name this way. But all blessings comes from Almighty God.
Yes.
So me, I'm sharing my blessings to you. I bless you again and again.
No, you can't hit my head.
Hey, I'm hiding this
in the name of blessings.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Okay, guys, Minhawi here. Yeah, it's been a hectic day. Like it hasn't been busy, but it's been hectic for some reason.
Hey.
Have you noticed?
Today even the shirt that you are putting on, it's just talking about me.
Yeah,
it's my dog and I talk shit about you. So you talk shit about me.
Yes, me and my dog.
You and your dog. Who's your dog?
I know you don't know my dog?
My dog and I talk shit about you.
My dog and I talk shit about you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's up today?
Well, today we've just been trying to, we want to manicure this place, like I told you guys. As you can see, we're trying to manicure this place so that it looks nice. It has been a bit bushy, too much grass, unnecessary
unwanted weeds.
Yeah, so we've been trying to make it look nice. Then we'll look for grass. Actually, I want the carpet grass.
Carpet grass.
There's carpet
That carpet grass, it used to be here. This one, it's here. Yeah, but it's not okay. Once somebody step on it, It's
Yeah,
just disappear.
Yeah, you see the one that we saw the other day at that guy?
Yeah, that's what
I
I'm
think
going
we
to
should
do
go and tomorrow or
tomorrow.
today,
Yeah.
we can go and talk to him to give us that carpet grass. Because
Yeah.
tomorrow the handmen are going to dig there
As they plant.
and they plant. Because
Yeah.
tomorrow they're digging and planting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that you can have like we have demarcations
Yes.
and you know something organized. The company needs to be organized. You know, it
To be
hasn't been
organized,
organized.
yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow, and also I've told them they're coming to weed these flowers.
These flowers
from
around
the road,
here, from
'cause
the
they want
road.
to come.
Okay.
So tomorrow they have to weed this place because look at it, guys.
Yeah,
It
for
doesn't
now,
look so.
doesn't
show-
look
it's
so
just
nice.
like this. Even the chicken don't like it.
Ah.
Yeah. So tomorrow I want them to weed
To weed this
all
area
these places completely clean and
to,
make
to level that
to
area.
levelize, and then now we have like a demarcation where the end is, you know, so that like we can have like a culture
Yeah.
of cultivating and weeding the
And
flowers.
weeding the
also
flowers.
from this side.
And you know, according to me, like what I want to do here is like some days in future, after I'm done with everything around here, I'll put a gate here. You know,
Yeah.
here is where the gate will be.
Yeah.
We'll put a gate here because this is where the fence is. So we'll come and put a fence of a gate here, and also down there fence up to the other side, so that the house can be locked.
And will we lock away our big brother?
No, because now we want to lock away because some days we'll have like 3 gates some days. So by this house when it will be done, every other stuff will go on.
Okay.
Yeah, but for now let's focus with what we have in
Yeah,
hand.
what's here? So
Yes.
tomorrow we want them to weed from the toilet. Even the toilet, they will weed the
They
toilet.
weed the toilet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
weed, and then even these flowers here, they weed them so that we can have like a structure and just a good pathway, you know.
Oh, shall I pay you for this great work you have done? I should have sit down and
How will you
cried
pay
for
me?
you.
Yeah.
I should have sit down and just cry for you. But you won't appreciate
You know
when
why?
I
One
just
thing, all
cry.
these guys. Remember when you were in South
If
Africa?
I
they-
cry, if I cry today, then you'll just say to throw me away.
guys,
Let me not cry.
guys, when you were in South Africa, I really cried, and I was like, "What can I do for this guy to take back his tears?" So yesterday I was like, "Okay, you've really cried, so I'll do something." So this is what I'm doing.
You go away, go away.
He doesn't keep. I told you guys, when
Yes.
I'll be gone, he'll miss me. He'll be like, "Where will I get Minhawi to come and
I
help
should
me?
cry.
Come and help me weed out these places like this." I know you'll miss me.
You know how to dance?
Huh?
You know how to dance those days back when you were young? This way. And then, let me show you. Come this side, I show you.
Okay.
When we used to be young, I used to be like, this is Kalumbeta, Kalumbeta, Kalumbe. This is Kalumbeta, Kalumbeta, Kalumbe. This is Kalumbeta.
You know what? You've managed to change my story into something else. You know, you think you're smart. Guys. He thinks he's smarter than me. No.
How did you know that?
Because I know you.
Hey!
But now I know, like, he's really trying to
Just
brush
throw
away my
the
story. Yeah.
So leave away South Africa story. No, just leave away.
But you really cried. Eh?
Uh-uh.
Hey.
But I was
bet you
crying because
cry.
I was sick.
Guys,
I was
hey,
sick.
one day I'll sit down and tell you the real story why he was crying. You know, people don't really know the real true story why you are crying.
You know what, guys?
They
Today
assume-
we have bought trees. So from here we'll take you to trees and show you
Eh.
how many trees we
Why are you
have.
butchering English?
It will die. When we butcher,
Like
we put
yesterday, that day you're training me how to ride a bike. You butchered some English, eh?
which English?
And you killed it. Hey, like anyway.
Where is the coffin for it?
Guys, so tomorrow we'll be weeding all these flowers and making the even this. Do you know this is a flower? It's
Let
not
me
a
show you.
sisal.
Let me show you.
It's not sisal. Do they know that?
Oh,
This is a flower.
it's a flower.
Yeah, it's a kind of like a beauty. It's not like the size of sisal.
Caterpillar.
Ah, no, don't. You're serious now.
Okay.
Yeah,
She-
these are
Guys,
it's-
she fears caterpillars.
yeah, this is like a. Okay, show them. This is like a flower.
Okay,
this
it's
is for
called
beauty.
double colored sisal.
Yeah,
it's
but
a flower,
used
guys.
It's like a. I don't know. It's
A nice flower.
it's not even a flower. How do you call it? It's used for beauty, beautification of
So
your
what's a
compound.
flower used for? It's for beauty.
No, flowers are like
As beautiful as a flower. No matter which kind of a flower.
you're such a distraction. Anyway, you've made that story is gone. So tomorrow we'll be doing this, picking all these rubbishes, making sure that everything, like even the trees here, for those people really need to work.
Okay.
Yeah, the trees here, like this one, is they weed it.
You weed it this
and
way?
Weed it and protect it in a good way. And also here, and make sure all these stones, rocks,
The ballast and those bricks.
are removed or put in one place.
Okay.
And just organize so that when you get in,
Yes.
it will look nice. Like I'm really trying to
Just make it
worth it,
Okay.
And also levelize here.
Wow.
And arrange, maybe even if we can put, for example,
Oh no.
some ballast, a few ballast, you can pick it and fix some,
Okay.
some roads so that, like for example, we have a friend who has a car,
Yeah.
which are junior.
Yeah.
He never gets in
He
because
gets in, but he never
it
gets in.
scratches. It
Yeah.
scratches it. So we need to make that, and
The car have some dents like.
so the car gets spoiled.
You want you when you come with your car, guys, no matter how even it's a G-Wagon, a Jeep Wrangler, you come inside,
Yeah.
direct to
We
home.
want it to look nice.
to look nice.
Because me, when I like, I'm a perfectionist. So
Yep,
when we do things, I like them done.
Well done.
Well done. So tomorrow they're weeding before the toilets and the flowers there, and also let's show them.
Okay.
It's here.
This is the toilet, guys. The outdoor.
The outdoor toilet. They have. What was the? This is like a.
No, this is the connection of the toilet. It's a toilet up to this side.
Oh, it's the.
Yes. Why are you laughing? What is it?
Did you hear that?
What? It's nature. It's nature.
No, let me tell them what it
No, don't.
I'm
Don't. You know what?
People really know how to breathe.
How many? Why do you breathe?
People breathe differently.
But I'm here. The trees are just enjoying the breath. The problem with this girl, guys, she laughs a lot. Even when it's the real matter, she wants to laugh.
Let me tell them what you've done.
No.
Please allow me.
Just
Once.
you'll cry. You'll cry.
Tell them what's happening. Why I'm laughing.
You'll cry.
Guys.
Okay, tell them why you're laughing. I'll add you more.
He just polluted the environment.
No,
He farted.
I was passing here. I passed here and I was hard to go.
He farted.
No way.
I swear to God, he never. He's so shameless, guys.
Guys, you know the good thing is on this other end. So the toilet came from that side to this, and this end that my dad decided just to put a slab. So she's dying of laughter, guys. She's dying of laughter. Look.
How can you do that? And
God have mercy.
No way. Guys.
What is it?
Like, boy, and
No way. No way.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, no way. Hold me up. No way.
No, get up. Like, hey.
What is it? Until you are
Yeah,
crying.
because like, how can you fart and people are doing like you're doing a
No
video,
way.
it's serious business and you just
That-
fart like that.
it's you who had that, but even I never
had.
had.
I know it's natural, but
No, I
then
never
now,
had that.
respect your audience.
Come on, I never did that. Hey,
Farted, guys.
let me
Hey.
just admit it because for the video. Let me admit it.
I know, I swear to God. It's not my dad's grave, guys. He farted.
No, I farted for you. I tell you. Okay. So, guys, this is what has been done here.
Yeah. So tomorrow they're going to behind the toilet they're going to weed it, make sure it's clean.
Okay.
The trees around here also make sure this was just you see like from up there.
Yeah.
They're going
The
to
weeds
do the
goes
same. So
the
these weeds
same
are going to be put in one place so that they can be organized. They don't fall over
Yes.
to the or if they can't, they'll be banned.
Oh, and also, you know, this is soft tissues. What do you use this for?
This one you wipe yourself. They are used like tissues. They
Those
act as
days back when you
tissues.
used to have that toilet that
Yeah.
you don't need to flush inside here.
Yeah, so use these. It's very soft. It's very soft.
Soft.
So people
They look
put-
like serviettes. Let me wipe
Yeah.
you. Serviettes.
Yeah,
yes.
they look
This
like
is love.
savia. This is
Let
not
me-
love. This is-
no, let
No,
me.
I like
yes.
you just fart in public like
I
that.
can't
No.
sweat.
Aye. Okay, it's enough. It's
No,
going
I'm
to-
doing this.
It's okay.
Hey, you see now this hair? When I wipe this, the hair comes nice.
I have a lot of baby hair.
Hey, look, guys, baby hair.
Yeah.
Okay, now you see there's tissues, and you know this is medicine.
It's also medicine?
Yeah. For the
Okay.
chicken and also for the children
Uh-huh.
when they have stomach aches.
Uh-huh.
You come with. That's why you see even dad never cut it down.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anyway, okay, like, can we pay the Masons so that they
So
can
the
go?
Masons, guys, then from here I'll take you to where we have bought trees. It's just on the hill there, and then we will see what's going on around.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
You'll carry me on the hill.
No.
I'll carry you to the hill.
No. None of the above. Let's pay.
I'll do it again for you. Okay, guys. See you. Guys, Minhai was here, and yeah, this work has been done, well done. So
Am I not a creative? Don't you think I'm a creative?
you are not a creator.
Not a creator.
You are a content creator.
I'm a creative.
A creator.
Creative.
Come we go.
I'm thinking of what we can do with this road, also like mark, you know.
The road some days when we
Something like this at the end, as we
No.
are sending the sun.
no, this other end we have a trench. So if water comes that side, passes through the trench here, it goes.
Okay.
Yeah, so from here, let me go show you the trees that we have got. We have bought trees for the roof,
The timber.
the timbers.
I'm tired.
So
They're
tomorrow they'll
supposed to-
take this off,
Yeah.
and also they'll weed here.
They'll remove all these.
Guys, doesn't the compound look nice, guys? You know, this way.
And it will look even more nice when you plant the grass.
Also on this other side, my cats are just roaming around. There's a cat there. Yeah, so this is the house. This is going on this way. So
Wondering where are you going?
where am I going? Let's go. You hear the rain and we have to go on the other side. So guys, we are moving around the village here. This is my home, or our home, Kenya, East Africa, in the village. Now here we are heading in the mountains, in the hill with Minhawi.
Yeah.
We're going for hiking a little bit so that we can see. We bought trees over there, up there on the mountain, where the other day Maro and Rosio and Gitriba was. Not was. Hey, English sometimes you just break. Hey, these specs. Hey, I sat on them and they are just coming out anyhow. Yeah. So, and they scratched. Oh my God. It's problem plus problems. But yeah, you can have land like this where you plant only food.
Only food, eh?
Only food.
Yeah.
You know, here we are heading now to the hill, guys. That's how you see how everything is around. Alright, let's go. Guys, I don't know if you see those stones over there. Some days we'll go hiking there with Minhawi. So those stones on the other end, there's where Ayamaro was with Rosio and Giteriva. On those stones, they're not very far. They're like 100 meters from here, where I am right now, to the other side. And my home is just down here. Minhawi is tired.
Yeah, it's a hill and I'm tired.
Come.
And the sun is just directly on my face.
Yeah, so guys, here is where we bought some trees in here, but let me show you the kind of trees that we bought on this other side. And also hopefully we will see our land from here when you see, because we are on the hill point. So yeah, so we bought some trees, 2 trees in there, another tree is here. We bought this tree. Wow, this one. So Minhawi, this is the tree that we bought.
Yes.
Up to the other side, guys, you see it's big. For
Specific ones?
yeah, it's this one, and also there's other 2 here. We bought some trees because buying timbers, it's very expensive, guys. So we decided to buy trees, bring up a lumberer, so the lumberer can lumber the trees so that we can have the what we call like timbers. So we also bought these two, this one and this one. So yeah, these two, this one and also that one there. Yeah, so they are big, this and this. So we have 3 big trees, and also we will add, I'm not quite sure because we need like 1,400 feet. 1,400 feet, that is like if the feet is maybe 14 feet, we need like 100 feet, 100 timbers. If the timber is 14 feet plus, we need like 100 timbers. Come, I show you that you can see the view. Guys, from this side we are on the hill where Ayamaro was with Rocio the other day. So there's a lot of stones the way you see on the other side. Yes,
I know it has a lot of snakes.
no snakes nowadays here. No snakes at all, at all, at all. Snakes used to be those days, but there are no snakes. So from here you can see Nasto's house, you can see Mayuguno, Felo, Marwa, and also if you have an eagle eye, you can see our land from there. From there.
What?
You already sat down?
Yes.
Give us a story.
Do you have a story? Show them. Have you shown them where Marwa and
Yeah,
Rocio
and
were?
Rocio wire. Why in these stones here? Whoa, on these stones. But because for now there's a lot of maize there.
It's so sad.
Hey, you can get irritated by the maize because maize are now big. Yeah, so we wanted to show you the trees, guys. We already have these big surprise trees. This one, another one there. So hopefully maybe tomorrow we will do what we call like bling. Bling. I said bling. So I bring a timber lumberer so that she can lumber the other side.
Can you imagine if someone wants to construct up here? He'll have to blow up all these stones, right?
Yeah, I have to blow up this stone. Or if maybe I can find a good architect who can know what to do.
Build a house on top of
These stones. Wow. Very nice. So this, this marks this side. So you see here marks the end of the shamba between the owner of the other side on this side.
But they are family members?
No, not even family members. Like this one, you see this one? It shows you this is the end of the other side and this side. But the most problematic thing is with the stones now. So if this is here, the half stone comes to the other side, another half stone goes to the other side. Also another half stone goes here.
How about to just buy all the stones?
So and the problem is, what if this somebody want to blow this stone, like poof? So he'll tell you have blow one stone which is not big. Hey, what am I saying? Okay. You have blown this big stone halfway,
Yeah.
so we can share the parts.
But then they can still find a boundary.
A boundary, yeah.
The stone.
In the middle of the stone.
No, like if it's blown, you can still get a boundary because there's a straight line, you know, from the other side. So you can only just use. It's easy. It's not that hard.
All right, guys. So let's head back because she's afraid. Even that stone, it's bigger.
I don't like it.
To harvest.
Can't you remove your shoes?
Hey,
I knew it.
come down.
Yeah?
Come here.
I want to eat all of it. You want me to hold it?
Yes.
Don't throw it. I'm lucky. Lucky. You want to remove another one? No, that's for tomorrow. Don't.
Tomorrow will never come again.
So guys, we have this. It's huge. It's like, it could be like 2 kgs or one and a half.
Time to start your body sorry.
Yes.
You know now, guys. Even if you press this way,
It goes in. Yeah.
you see, just pressing. We go with it. Bibi nikukatie hii. Imeiva. Hata nikukatie kidogo. It's direct from land.
Don't press it like that.
That's how it's supposed to be eaten.
Ew.
In Jamaican way. Huh? Soursop. So sweet.
Cut for that guy too.
I give you guys. Welcome to CJ's little Jamaica home. You're going with this home?
I'll eat it on the road.
Just throwing the juice.
Okay.
Now this is for me. And the mean how.
The whole part. It's
That's for the soursops. You take shower, you become sour like soursop.
become sour. Guys, this fruit is delicious. I'm addicted to it. I don't know what I'm going to do without it up there. How often does it produce?
In a year, maybe twice.
Yeah, twice. Oh, okay. It will be sad.
Yo. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Guys, look behind me. Somebody's enjoying the soursops here. She just harvested a soursop at home and she's literally eating it like normal.
Guys, I'm addicted.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah guys, so I came from home. I came to this other side, as I told you, to our dreamland over here in Kenya, Africa, East Africa. Wow, listen to the birds. Amazing. Greatly and so amazingly. But what brought me here is just to check on how everything is around, and also we're having a project that we are running over here to our neighbor who sold this land to us over here. Those days back when I was really looking for land, they just said they have land, and I never had much money. I told them, I promised them that I'll be paying in installments, and they came good for me and they said, yeah, no problem, you can pay in installments. And actually they really helped me maybe to save it as I paid to them. And also they never had a good home, not say like home, they used to have one house where a son, a mom and some grandchildren are really sleeping in that one house. You can imagine, guys. And that house was really in a bad condition. It was really asking them, maybe if can I fall to you today or I wait until tomorrow. But I appreciated this land is so much fertile and very nice and great, so they accepted for me to pay them the money, not in a sum but in installments. And till to date I've been paying to them. I've been paying in installments, and through that money that I've been paying them, they constructed a house. And when I came back, I found that they have constructed a very nice house, a very nice house, in which maybe if you haven't watched Minhawi's videos, hopefully you have watched those videos, guys, and to Minhawi's channel. So when I paid those money, they went up, built some houses, mud houses, and now they were requesting for me, because now I've been paying them. They have been paying them. And because of, guys, let me tell you one secret over here. It's like most youths they you know, here, when even I'm a dad, or my dad must separate land, like this is for this, this is for this, and this is for this. So there's a competition of what we call like an influence to alcohol. If you see your friend is just taking a lot of alcohol, he has sold land and he has a sum of money, or a good time of money. So most of the society here, I always say, like the community also around here, they have succumbed to, most families have succumbed to alcohol. There's a very great influence to alcohol. So due to that, when they sold land, some of them used to take alcohol and whatever, and it was not a good sign for me, like me staying here as a neighbor with people who are taking a lot of alcohol on the other side, and they don't have a good house. So me, I told them honestly, like, I'm not going to coach you for, or we are not going to coach you for, because this land I bought, I and Minhawi, we are not going to coach you as for your money, because with me I need land and you need money. So but I'm not going to coach you. What I want is to see this home standing very nicely. So I thank God they listened to us. They listened to us very, very, very well, and they constructed houses, in which from here I'll take you there, and I want to show you what is going on around. So when I came back from Malaysia, I found that they have constructed houses, but still they haven't yet plastered them. They haven't made anything good inside, because it was still mud. So they have requested like sorry. So when I came with a good kind of money. When I was saving, I came and I paid them, and we went to the hardware some 2 days back. We did what we call like bought them cement, like 30 bags of cement. We bought them a wheelbarrow. We bought them what we call like a spade. We brought sand, in which from here I'm going to show you 2 trucks of sand, and we have been paying the masons so that they are doing the good work that I'm going to show you around here. So on this other end, as you see, we bought land up to the other side. So this is the last post of this side over here. Wow. So this is what shows you this one. That's the sisal. That's what shows you. And then on the other side, yes, that's Minhawi calling me. Hi, how are you? Wow. Yeah, I was doing a video over here. I was telling our people how sometimes alcohol becomes a very crazy thing and makes people to succumb.
Yeah, it is a problem.
It's a problem, and I showed them, I was telling them about how we have become what we call like how we have become trusted through these custodians of this other end. Yeah, because of a few people, you know, most people here buy land and they don't even associate with a buyer and a purchaser and a seller. They don't really associate to each other.
Like a relationship.
A very nice relationship.
Yeah.
Let's say long, strong relationship.
Yeah.
But with us here, when we bought this land, we have been paying it in the installments. And there's a project that I was trying to tell them about it. Please, you can just introduce yourself and tell them.
Hi guys, Minhawi
Come this
here.
side, because the sun is scanning out of this side. Okay, yeah.
Minhawi guys here. When we
How did you know I'm here? Because I left you up there.
Yeah, I was just walking and I heard your voice. So I thought maybe yes, you're doing a video.
What if you see a hair here?
No. So guys, when we bought this land, we of course we've been paying it in installment.
Yeah,
we're
for
not
sure.
done yet, but we are paying it bit by bit.
Bit by bit.
So the guys here, of course, the community, the most of this area, Nyabohansi area, most people, like I could say 90%.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say, but 90% of like people are drunk.
You
They
say like
drink a lot.
there's an alcohol influence. We can
There's
say
an
that.
alcoholic
Influence. If
there's a problem, alcoholism problem.
Yeah, if today I say, I was giving them a real valid example that if today Claude is having a lot of money, I go and start drinking, you know, taking alcohol on the other side.
Yes.
So, and then a friend will just tell me, yeah, how do you get that? I told her I sold land.
Okay.
So yeah, they sell land and they eat. So yes.
Yeah. So there's a big huge problem with alcoholism around this area, and a lot of people, maybe when they sell land, they drink, or even when they sell anything, it's drinking until everything is complete. So by the time they're sober, they realize, oh, I sold this land and I don't have money, or I've not done anything with the money. So that was the problem we got when we came here.
Yeah, for sure.
And so we've been trying to assist and help a few people here. The person, not a few people, the person who sold us here,
the land,
was really, she or he became vulnerable, and told us what problem they're facing as a family. So they asked her to step in and help them maybe do construction with the money that we are going to pay them. So that's currently what we're doing, guys. So yeah.
Yeah, guys, so that's what I've been telling. So from here we'll take you there. So we have
You are heading to the project?
yeah, we are heading there. We have to go.
I'm coming. I'll join you.
What are you doing here?
I'm just walking.
You want to
around.
talk with nature?
I want to just
Yeah.
yeah, I'm just walking and
If you want to talk with nature. Yeah,
let's
guys,
have
so
a conversation.
So guys, I'll be heading on this other end, and I'll be showing you also we have a bench here. Like you can come and sit here, sleep this way, and you can just have your amazing best and very why are you pushing me to go? No, I can't. So you can just come and sit here, relax as you do your other stuffs, because it's under the tree over here. Maybe you can hide here and you see who is stealing your maize. So yeah, so from here I'll take you to that homestead where I think you have seen those videos, guys, on Minhawi's channel. So from here I'll just go take you there, show you today the masons were working. So we have to go there and also confirm how they have worked and what they have done, changing mud into what we call like most valuable things around here. See you there, guys. All right, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. We have a bench here. If you come to our dreamland, we have a bench. Maize here, you can just talk with nature, greenery and other stuffs. All right, guys, see you there. Nini? Yeah, so let me head there. In how you will just find me later. So this is our dreamland over here. Hopefully some days we will put here a very nice home, and yeah. Ooh, I'm so much happy. This girl was eating a soursop here and she has left it. This is a soursop here. So these seeds should be kept here so that I'll plant a lot of soursops, so that when maybe you come here as a visitor, you see a lot of fruits and other stuff. And also we were making the road the other day over here to this other side. So let me head. The homestead is just near here where you see some new iron sheets. There is where the home is. So let me proceed there and I'll come back. So let's go see what's going on around in that home. In a nutshell, this is how you see the beautiful area. We had sand over here. We brought sand, 2 trucks. So yeah, the sand is aiding in what we call like plastering the house that we are heading to. So the homestead is just in here. It's like in a best area, very, very best, because we are neighbors. And that's how you see even this land is very fertile. Look at this stem of the maize, very heavy. That shows you that the land is very fertile. Yeah, so this is the homestead where we are. Have a cow. We have a cow. It looks aggressive, yeah. So those days back they used to have a house here, just right here, but they demolished them and they decided to construct a house here. So let's go in. Hodi. Yes. Kopoa. Yeah, so this is the homestead, guys. These are the ducks. Mura vipi? Wametengeneza mlango. Wani fundi. Guys, they made a door here. Okay, so this is where we have some cement. We bought some more cement, a lot of them. They were like there were 30 bags of cement, and this is now the newly built home. You see they have all these new iron sheets, and we make mud and smear them with it this way to make a house. So let me close this. Wow, me, I'm so much proud of them, because even if they sold land, it shows that you have a new home and a compound where you have. So let me take you in where the masons were working. So this is the mom's home, or the mom's house. Yeah, and that is the grandson house. And also this is the son's house who now sold land to us. So yeah, you can now say today they were making this here, they were compacting this because they want to make what we call like the Nero. They put the cement down. So yeah, the house, you can just see the difference between in and outside. So in, this is how they have been making in. They have been covering up all the muds, all the muds to make it smooth the way you see it over here. So this is the inner side. You can just tell the difference between in and out. So here it's a lot of mud. Here is mud, and here it's and here it's cement. Mud and cement. Andriku, nani anapiga kelele? Andrikus. Ni huyo jamaa. Mutarime, you want to make a lot of noise.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes, hi.
Andrikus. Yeah, boya. So Andrikus, guys, this is Andrico, the guy. How do you see the work? The work is nice?
No.
Why? Okay, so you see right here, they started cementing. Sasa nataka kesho ikuwe hivi. Ipigwe yote alafu napitisha. Unaona kama hapa ni simiti imepigwa, hapa ni matope. Yeah, so guys, inside here, there you see, they have cemented all this side. All this side. The house looks clean. Oh, hata chini walieka. Hey, Andrikus. Let me light up, we see. Hey, guys. You see here. Sasa hapo mtu asikanyage hapo. Hey, guys, I don't know if you can be able to see. So you see, they just cemented all the place down here. And it looks very clean and nice. Now this is the bedroom. And the house looks very clean. Ulinunua rangi? Ya kuchanganya hapa. Hapa bedroom hawaeki, si ndio? Ni hapa tu. So you can see the difference between here. This is the smoothening of this other end on the other side. What do you think, mister?
No idea.
How's the work?
No idea.
No idea.
Yeah.
The work is nice, like. Yeah, so here, guys, we have been cementing on this other end. So this have been compacting using the maram. So tomorrow they do it the same way like this. But he said he want the Nero to be mixed with the red oak. This is something that used to mix. Oh, the red chalk. Okay, so you already bought it. Okay, so tomorrow, guys, I'll come and show you, maybe on Minhawi's channel. You'll see how it will be. It will be very smooth and nice. Very beautiful. But actually, guys, let me know in the comment section what you think. Hata wandi kuna juna furahia. Hata yako kesho itakuwa hivi. Wakimaliza hapa, wanaingia kwa nyumba yao.
Sisi tulisema kwamba hivi. Ile vitu vyombo
vikuje humu kesho. Kesho kwanza hiki kauka. Jinafai mwagiliwe maji ndio waendelee. Au wataendelea tu kuchapa nje na ndani. Yeah, guys, but you can just see how everything is around here. Very clean and nice. Si hata unafurahia na venye. Unafurahia kazi.
I love it.
You love. So tomorrow we paint white. Maybe some days if you make we find money, we paint it white. White, and then here red. Yeah. Guys, let's wait for me and how and we see. Yes.
Sasa tuna maji.
Unamwagilia maji. Utarekebisha hapa?
Basi barekebisha roga diga. Hati kile bene.
Okay.
Acha homera maji unsuni. Dabenda homera go. Nyumba go kumbakanga kwa ruko safi kwa sababu msumbuane.
She's saying she'll be pouring water because this is the grandma and he's the grandson. Hata leo jioni kama saa hii nafaa umwagilie maji. Ndio inaona shida ni maji.
Kwa sababu hapa kwa maguma maji jioni. Sababu tumefikia hapa hivi. Sawa.
Nataka tu mnaweka tu maji. Kama jioni kama saa hii mnaweka kama madumu 3 ama 4. Sisi tunamwagilia nguvu. Pole kwa
sababu inateremka.
Ila pole unahakikisha imekomaa vizuri. But nafurahia na hii kazi mmefanya leo. Leo mmefanya kazi safi kabisa. Kesho shosho anakaa sehemu nzuri. Yeah. Baada ya siku 3. But me I love this. It's very smooth and clean. I told you I'm bringing you fundi who is well.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
And you see guys, sasa wakimaliza watafix milango, wamalize shosho sasa akae ndani. Yes guys, so this is how you see the house is looking like. Minhawi, give him the Soursop. Give this guy too. Enrico. Munitunzie mbegu Enrico. Hey Minhawi, introduce yourself. Hey. Again.
Now they know me now.
There's magic inside.
Let me see. Let's see. Can we see?
Mutiichi mbegu. Look.
Wow.
Look first how the walls are. You're shocked.
That's magic.
You're shocked.
I'm shocked, guys, because what? This is now nice. Yesterday it was somewhere. Today it's in the morning when we came. It was halfway done.
Halfway done. Yeah.
We're waiting to do this.
Wow.
And that.
You see now in here how it has been done.
Can I put some lights?
Yeah, put some lights. I have already shown them, but put some lights so that you can see what's going on around. Wow, guys, me, I'm so much proud of them. And also for the mom who was
My lighting is
poor.
terrible, but they can at least see.
You can see.
It's no longer
Mud.
It's now at least cement. And who was stepping here?
The kids.
Can
You
they
see,
just lock the
everybody,
door?
the kids were just putting the fingerprints to think.
Oh my God.
Enrico,
Enrico, check it.
ona watoto wasikanyage hapo. Well,
Watu wanaingia hapa.
watoto wasikanyage. You see the foot strings. The footprints.
Kuja uone mkuza watoto hapa.
Sio kuna mtoto anaingia ndani. Sio? Yeah. Wasikanyage. Wakikanyaga sasa hiyo itananoka.
Kesho watoto mnaona kanyaga na ijakauka jamani.
Sasa hata inafaa ufunge.
Maji ndio kuja kwa baada ya siku tatu.
Sasa watu wote kanyaga basi.
Wamekanyaga kama siku hapa. Unajua mimi ndio security.
Unafunga. Unajua boma ni yako.
Walikuwa na watch.
Asifunge mlango basi.
Utafunga mlango na kufuli.
Sawa sawa.
Wasiingie hapa. Ikikanyaga hapo wanabomoa.
And then unafaa kumwaga nyumba maji. Bado umwage nyumba maji.
Alisema anaanza.
Nimemwaga maji jana. Nimemwaga leo. Baada ya kumaliza hapa ndio nimekamwaga.
Oh,
Na
sawa.
huko nje you were supposed to upige pale nyumba. Kwa maana nyumba yako umeacha umalize vizuri.
Zima taa.
Sawa.
Ndio itakula simiti.
Sijakataa. Lakini kesho baada ya mjaanza hii nyumba. Kesho na maliza hii nyumba hapo ndani.
Nje.
Na nje, unaona nje, kuja uone nje vile.
Nimeona nje.
Unaona nje.
Ndio itakula kwa itachukua simiti na
Itachukua
mtamaliza
simiti.
kazi.
Sawa, nimekubali hiyo. Lakini kesho namaliza yote.
Kesho tuko hapa. Tomorrow you promise tomorrow we are here.
Tomorrow you're going to do that and now you need to, you know, itaweza kutoka nje kama
Kama kama hii.
tomorrow.
Very beautiful.
Yes,
very
so that
beautiful.
tukipiga simiti isikule simiti kwa
Yeah,
sababu
yeah.
itachukua simiti nyumba yako.
Hiyo nimeelewa.
Hii nyumba itabaki kwa tengeneza.
Yeah guys, this is how you see.
Nimekubalia.
Aye.
I promise.
You see, they have already started here, like the remaining one on this other end. Hey, they are watching. Has to lock it from outside. You see, even the doors are very still. Very.
You have still dogs.
They have steel doors.
Yeah.
And they,
So
they have even a television.
After we're done with this house, they
Yes.
even managed to get a television, guys. They
I
managed to
tell you.
get a solar. Yeah.
Money
So,
can change
Money can
magic.
change things. Yeah. And also now, after this house, we're going to this house, then this house.
Than this house.
Yeah.
I guess those are the old iron sheets that they used to have
They used
over
to
here.
have.
Yeah.
And most of them were spoiled, so
Was
they cut
spoiled.
them into
They cut them
pieces.
into pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me, I'm so much happy for them. I'm very happy. And also even they have a good solar.
They even bought chairs now.
They have both chairs. They have nice.
Baadaye bado umemaliza.
Eh.
Takuuliza swali kidogo tu lakini sio kwa baya.
Aye. Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
so
So
guys-
that's how everything is.
So-
And me, I'm really appreciating your love and support. And let me know in the comment section what do you think about
Yeah,
this.
guys.
Guys, so there's a crazy story here. A story that is just sometimes it's sad. Sometimes I feel like laughing and laughing loud, like no man's business. So we went to this side where we have actually this home. I told you the story about how this home used to be. It was like having the worst house here, worst house. So when this guy sold land to us, and he just told us about what was going to happen, and he built his house. Now we are making what we call like plastering his house. Now there's a crazy rumors that are passing.
They started telling us about the rumors going around in the village.
in this village.
That we are Freemason members, and that recently the kids.
They recently Mogendi's kids.
It's like
I'm the one who killed them.
No, let me tell them like how it that they were told around the village here that the brother so the guy was telling us was told that CJ's brother lost his kids, and that CJ is the one who sacrificed the kids for Freemason.
Yes, it's sad, and I'm really
it was hilarious and sad at the same time. So we were like, okay, let us laugh. So he was like, is that true? So we were like, so the guy was trying the guy was trying to confirm from us if it's true. We gave out sacrifice for Mogendi's kids. For Freemason.
Guys, I'm really sad.
It is sad, and I don't know. Like it's I don't know what to say.
All these stories have arose when they have seen we have started plastering this mom's house.
The mom's house. So they are warning the
owners.
The owners. Those people are Freemason.
Those people are Freemason.
The money you are taking is for Freemason.
For Freemason.
And the Illuminati. So you guys be prepared. Your own person is going to die.
Let you know what, hey. Those days back, you saw Maro gave Nasto a chicken.
Yes.
That they slaughter, they eat with the wife. When reaching in the house, they found that the chicken
disappeared into thin air.
That really finished me the energy.
Maro, there's a time Maro gave Nasto chicken. And then now that Maro is the kingpin, is the Illuminati or the Freemason
king here.
Yeah. So he gave Nasto some chicken. And then the chicken, when Nasto went to the house with the chicken to cook, the chicken disappeared into the thin air.
Actually, guys, there's some rumors around here.
Crazy rumors.
In this small village there you see here, these small houses, it looks peaceful, but now the rumors that people usually listen, like, and also another story, a crazy story. Today I've been fed a lot of words here. So there's a kid on this other side that Mayugo knows was supposed to help, and also he was paying some school fees for him the other day round, those days back. So after sometimes people went to the family and warned the family, hey, this guy Mayugo gonna come in here with the camera, don't, this kid will die. They'll take him to Freemason. So Mayuguno was warned not to go to that family. Imagine, guys. Those are the rumors that we have been given today.
But then when you meet these people, they laugh, they greet you.
They laugh you, but behind the scenes,
they think you are Illuminati. I don't know. I'm feeling really, it's like I've never like experienced that like firsthand from a villager telling me that. So today when I heard it, I was a bit shocked and scared at the same time, and sad at the same time.
But very sad. Like even me, I felt like I could have known who spoke that.
But
that
then
I took sacrifice.
That
I took sacrifice from Mogendi's kids. Imagine, guys.
That you sacrificed the Mogendi's kids. Can you imagine? Anyway, like when there's a literacy in a community, this is what happens.
The problem is alcohol.
Alcoholism. Actually, this is what you are saying.
The influence of alcohol, like
alcoholism is a disease here.
They feel like when taking alcohol, it's the only thing.
That's how that's not.
You know, the problem is they believe if you have money, you must be a doctor, you must be a politician, a teacher, or maybe something. Professions. Or like profession, or maybe you are working in a hotel. That's the belief that's the real money. They don't know that you can even become an artist, maybe.
So, and also, can you imagine,
comedy.
the guy was telling us believes that TikTok is a company, but Illuminati belongs, then YouTube belongs to Illuminati. No, TikTok belongs to somebody. TikTok is normal, but YouTube belongs to Illuminati. So you can see the levels of illiteracy here that are here, guys, and mix the literacy with the alcohol. You'll get a very funny concoction. Guys. Today I've been scared for a bit. I was like, what? Like I've never heard that from any village. Normally I just hear the rumors. But
no, the problem is they see good houses. They see.
Are you crying?
Maybe. No, I'm not crying.
Don't cry.
No, it's the problem that they see good houses. They see somebody just prospering. They see somebody. They see somebody maybe having, like, I don't know, maybe having a car or having a good motorbike or just. They just feel, what kind of work is this guy doing? So whenever they see you maybe buying land or buying something, they feel like, they feel like
Stop crying.
no.
Guys, he's crying.
no, they feel
No,
I'm
I
not
think
crying.
that's
It's,
part of
you know, today because of my specs, the sun has really scorched my
no,
eyes.
no, no, stop
so,
lying.
yeah.
I know you're crying because,
No, they're saying
because
that
they
I've,
said you killed Mogendi's kids.
no,
I
it's
know.
it's okay. Okay, guys, I'm appreciating your
no,
love and
I'm so
support. Those are the
heartbroken.
real news that we are coming with them right here
We came
today.
here for like a good, like
For
just
good
to
faith.
check, and then now we had that. No, no, it's not the family that you're helping that is saying. It's
No,
people
it's
around
people
them.
around. So
They're trying to scare
so
the
people
family.
came to scare the family about
Because
us.
now they're seeing this development
Yeah,
in the home,
yeah.
so they are coming to scare them and tell them bad things. you
Yeah,
know.
so the crazy thing is now the boy came and told us, you know what, people
Please,
are
I want
saying.
to ask you something, but
Please.
don't. You know, he came like,
Yeah.
not Minhawe.
Yeah,
Madam,
madam.
I want to tell you something, please, but don't be angry.
Don't
I was
be
like,
angry,
okay,
yeah.
we're recording. I was like, I think you saw this on this video.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, guys, okay, just a minute. And then that's what he's so
I cut the
free-spirited.
camera, yeah.
He's so free spirit. He talks his mind. He
Yeah.
talks his heart out.
Yeah.
I was like, are you guys Illuminati? Do you guys work for Freemason? I'm like, what the hell are you
I
saying?
was like,
Oh my God.
man, oh
Huh?
man.
And I had your brother. You killed your brother's children.
Your brother's children. I was like, why? Who have you ever had that? That I've heard that the other day we went with your brother to take the
ID.
identification card, and we had so many people saying that about it. And is it to so many today? Actually, it has been disturbing me. So let me actually pour my stuff out.
What has been disturbing
Yeah,
him.
it has, yeah.
So we asked him if we're really Illuminati.
Yeah.
We took this land of yours, or you had this land of yours on installment.
Yeah.
We're paying it bit by bit.
Bit by bit.
Illuminati, if we're Illuminati or Freemason, we could have paid all of it. You know, for once, and we clear.
Once and
we clear
for all.
everything. But now we are paying. It means we don't have money. We are paying in installments.
An
You
installment.
see, like I was trying to convince him we are not Illuminati.
But with him, actually, he's okay.
He's okay.
But it's only the room he wanted. You know,
To
he's
clear
this guy that he doesn't
He
want
wants
to
to be
keep.
free.
Yeah, he wants to be free. So he never wanted to keep something in the heart.
Don't cry.
No,
Like, this
I'm
guy's been crying.
I'm not trying.
You know, he's been crying. You know.
So the only problem is like he wanted to clear his heart. Like me, I'm greeting these guys, but let me today pour it out. Is this guy who can't keep something?
You know, and also
Yeah.
recently we also faced the same thing. Remember?
yeah,
There's a close person who
a close
very
neighbor.
extremely close member
Yeah,
who told us
That-
who came and said
and he was insulting us in front of the face, like in front of the face of my dad. Like,
Ah.
you know, we know you people, you're Freemason. Even taking off his clothes and showing the kids and everybody the titties, his breast.
she's breast,
Yeah.
yeah, her breast.
Urinating to people and like, I
That
know
you're
you
Illuminati,
people.
you guys
you're
are Illuminati. She was screaming and shouting.
You're doing stuff. I was like,
And even had some influence on a close family member, you know.
Imagine,
and
guys.
the family member was like, you guys, like very, very close. You guys,
yeah, but me, I was like,
it's so discouraging
Yeah.
at some point, and it is so I don't know what you can do. Like the only way we can kill this illiteracy is by taking kids to school.
yeah, kids to school. Actually,
You know, I don't
kids
know.
to school.
This is crazy.
People are like, oh my god, but me,
But you know,
I'm having this heart that the spirit of keep doing it no matter what,
Yeah.
so that to
Yeah.
surprise them more. Even like when they say they just try to say, oh, Illuminati, you know what, we are building Mogendi's a house. Now they are shut. They are really shut. They even pass. They used to pass a place like
actually,
this.
yeah.
They pass very far away.
Actually,
Very far away. Very
now that
far
the
away.
kids, Mogendi's kids died, and they're seeing us building a house, they are like, now you're building a house after you kill the
After you
kids.
kill the kids.
Can you
Maybe
imagine,
some
guys?
days they'll get surprised. I'm having a car, I'm having houses, businesses. They'll be like, okay, now this is the reality. I don't want them to ask me money.
I'm sad. I feel like screaming and
I don't
crying.
want them to ask me money. Even 100. I don't want now. If I tell them this is my Freemason money.
Like
Don't.
actually, me that's what I'll be saying. If someone help me, I'll be like, this is Freemason money.
Yeah.
And I've told the boy, can go tell them we are Freemason.
Yeah, go tell them.
Because when they hear
Tell
you're
them.
Freemason, so they are afraid of you.
No wonder even these things are here. They could have been stolen long time ago.
Yeah, if then that's why you see.
Even this bench, it could have been stolen long time ago.
Now they believe that you belong to the Freemason, so
Yeah.
they're afraid of
They're
even
afraid
getting.
even stepping here. They're afraid. But it's okay, guys. But those are the sad
it's sad-
and at the same
sad
time
story,
happy.
yeah.
Because me, I'm happy like always, and also sometimes sad.
I know, but no, I know. This guy is so much heartbroken and hurt over that, especially the Mogendi story.
Let's give it to hell on the other side. All right, guys, thank you so much. Be blessed always for being on this YouTube channel.
This video started so well, and I feel like
and
it
really,
ended on a very low note.
I'm really happy for you watching and also for giving us this support.
But then now, don't take it personally, okay?
I won't take it personal. It's
no,
just
because
like,
I've seen you like getting emotional. You're crying, and I know it's sad,
okay.
but
it's okay. It's okay not to be okay.
It's okay not to be okay.
Yeah, sometimes it's okay not to be okay. So be blessed always, guys, and also please subscribe. Mtoto, mguu umekuwa nini mtoto? Mguu umekuwa nini? Nini? Sinaona goti linakuuma kabisa mtoto.
Iko na
wapi tuone? Na hapo kwa goti umekuwa nini? Hapo kwa goti. Hapa. Kwa goti. Uliumia.
Nilichomeka.
Na umeumia hapa. Pole
sana.
Hapa. Ile kama hayo.
Uligonga kwa mawe.
Sio hapo. Pale nilitoka kwa save.
Pale hivi ukagonga.
Pole.
And uoshe vizuri, uweke mafuta ya mboga vizuri, sawa? Uoshe, upaoshe. Yes, she has an injury on the leg. Yeah, so guys, I'm appreciating your love and support. Please subscribe, like, share. We are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. And of course, guys, I'm really appreciating your love and support. Through your support, it's one of the greatest way. And also subscribe to Min Hawi.
Oh, guys,
she has been facing. I'm sorry for you. You are just facing things because of me.
No, it's
sorry.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
We are working as a team, so
yeah.
I feel sad at the same time. I'm actually very sad, though I'm smiling, guys.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, I wish we could. I don't know. Sometimes we wish we could just flip things like this. But anyway.
Okay. Anyway, even Maro has been abused here.
Yeah,
I'm feeling like ending this video, and sometimes, you know,
like, guys,
there is a mama.
The way it is unbelievable.
There's one day a mama came to the fence of a Maro actually, and started
during the party, and she was screaming, "Illuminati!"
She was screaming, "Hey!
Yes, you guys are free!" Like, hey. Oh my God!
And I felt like, what?
It was hilarious then. And today it's not funny.
It's not even funny actually.
Come to think of it, it's not funny at all.
But
anyway, we give thanks to God.
And we give thanks, and don't cease to support us, guys. Let us show them the real face of how everything is around here. Let's transform life.
Show them the hand of God.
Yeah, we transform life. We show them the real hand of God. We transform
only that,
life.
Can they attack us? Yeah. Can someone come to attack you?
Nobody can attack you. It's only that they are now you build that fear.
Yeah, I'm afraid that you do something, or like or someone dies around here or something. They say it's us. Can that happen?
For what? They'll just write down and tell me who did it for it. All right, guys.
Because now, like, I've never seen this level of illiteracy anywhere in Kenya. Wow.
Oh, guys, thank you so much. Be blessed, and thank you so much for watching this video. For now, for sure, we are ending this video here. Thank you so much, Minari.
Okay,
and for each and every person, guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart to you all, guys. Be blessed, and bye bye.